How many people in a metropolitan city have a balcony, a deck, or a terrace? Do you have it? Are you among the privileged ones? Are you sure that the amount you have spent to get a living space with an outdoor area is being justified? What? You're unsure about the optimal use of that space? Don't worry. Just watch this video and get to know about the 5 must-have elements of a balcony or a terrace. Coming right up. Hey, I'm architect Nilesh Sawant, having an experience in the field of architecture and interior designing for 25 plus years. If you truly want to understand the field of architecture and interior design and want to know how it really works on site, then subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Having a breathing space right in your house in the middle of a chaotic metropolitan city is literally a privilege. Out of the 100% population staying in the metropolitan cities, about 60% stay in flats, out of which half of the population has a balcony or a terrace. However, this privilege should be used in a way that you squeeze out the maximum of it and create an interest in that space. A balcony or a terrace is a changeable part of the entire house. You cannot change the use of a habitable room or a toilet, but your balcony, deck, or terrace can certainly play a multi-purpose floor for you. You can morph the space as per your needs. Hence, this area should include few basic elements. These will not only enhance the beauty and the feel of it, but also allow you to have different activities like party, get together, exercise, or simply lounging. So without wasting much time, let's see what those 5 elements are. Element number 1, outdoor furniture. Every balcony or a terrace, be it of any size, needs a seating. A cozy setup of patio furniture like few chairs and a coffee table, depending upon the size of the area, will set the mood and make you comfortable immediately. An informal sitting arrangement like a rocking chair or a swing chair is also a good alternative for a cozy sitting. For terraces with ample space, a larger sitting or multiple sitting arrangement can be opted for. This will allow you to invite friends and family for a comfortable and intimate time. Just decide the amount of furniture you need depending upon the size of that area you have. Try not to overcrowd the area with the furniture as it will kill the whole look and feel of it. Avoid using cushions or fabrics with low maintenance furniture, preferably made up of PVC or metal, which is UV stabilized to avoid fading of color. For big terraces, make sure you have a water line, a drainage line, and an electrical connection so that the use becomes easy. Element number 2, the right flooring. Any outdoor area should have a floor covering that not only offers heat insulation but also aesthetically elevates the area. Every outdoor space should have something warm. Now, warm does not always mean a fire pit. Your flooring can also give a sense of warmth by the material used in it. The wooden deck flooring is perfect for the balcony area as it is easy to maintain and gives an immediate elevated look to your space. Try to introduce a roll of artificial green grass in your balcony, and in case of a bigger terrace, use artificial green grass in combination with a deck flooring or any natural stone. This will create interest in the flooring. Element number 3, spice it up with living greens. An obvious element of any balcony or terrace area are the greens. Having greens in various forms will always end up into beautifying your space quickly. Potted plants, flower beds, etc. are commonly kept in the balcony, but having plants that provide you with fresh spices will definitely prove to be a bliss. A vegetable garden is a must-do if you have a sunlit terrace. The first few bits of greenery that you add should be herbs and vegetables. Not only will they add the verdant look, but will be a source of healthy chemical-free produces for your kitchen as well. This will also make your outdoor space aromatic. You can choose what you would like to grow according to you and your family's interest and your confidence level. Start your balcony kitchen garden with herbs such as mint, sweet basil, lemongrass, or easy to grow yields like coriander, curry leaves, or ginger. This will give your food a personal touch and it will attach you emotionally to the outdoor space. Make your terrace a part of your culinary lifestyle. Element number 4, the right light. In India, most of the parts experience a tropical climate, and hence the daytime is generally not preferred to sit and chill in the balcony. The majority of people spend time in the balcony is after the sunset. Hence, the right lighting can set the right mood for you. Get the festive lights out of your closet and decorate your balcony with a tinge of festivity for all the time. You can make use of garden lanterns, fairy lights, and whatnot. Just the perfect light for the perfect mood, and there you go. Fill the festival whenever you go to your balcony and celebrate life. Cheers. Element number 5, decorative features. The presence of natural elements such as plants, rocks, and water captures the ethereal charm of a small balcony gardening and transforming an open space into a delightful experience. You could add an earthen bowl of water with a few water lilies or install a small portable water fountain, which is easily available in the market. The water features will not only add a decorative charm to your area, but also give up an audiovisual pleasure and help in lowering the ambient temperature. Choose a water feature that is easy to install and easy to clean so that you can make sure that there are no mosquitoes troubling you. Remember, the beauty will stay only if you maintain it. Apart from this, you can have an artificial green wall, as natural ones are difficult to maintain. Also, you can have a dramatic light and shadow effect by adding a simple wooden pergola, and for a shaded area, you may add a retractable or a fixed awning. So after knowing about all these elements, I hope your balcony is a beautiful and pleasant experience for you and your family. Make sure you make the most of your breathing space. If you have any queries regarding this video or want me to make a video on the topic of your suggestion concerned to interior designing, let me know in the comment section and I will try to solve your doubt in the best possible way. If you enjoyed this video, then see similar videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have happy outdoors.